Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language within the Money Manager budgeting app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Money Manager budgeting app on your device and you will be taken into the transactions page right away. From here, click on More at the bottom right corner and this will take you to Settings. From here, click on Configuration and then scroll all the way down. And now you will find the language setting at the very end. Go ahead and click on it and this will now show you all of the languages that are supported by this application. Just click on whichever language you wish to choose into, and after clicking on the language, the application will restart to change into your chosen language. You can always come back to this menu and change your language once again in the future if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Money Manager budgeting tool. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and I'll see you again in the next one.